Even the fake SC project is making that great sound. Say that thumb note on that engine. And you know what's the highlight of the day? It's that Hunter 350 you're seeing right now. We are heading to Adhampur today. Got the official licensed product of Ducati. It's the second highlight of the today. The second highlight of today is actually I'm riding Hero's Extreme 125. I'm riding the Hunter 350 with the SC exhaust. It's so smoothing and refined engine, dude. Even the fake SC project is making that great sound. You know guys why? It because of that raw sound of Royal Enfield. It has that thumb note on that engine, and yeah, that's why it's making that noise. Good morning, guys. So as usual, आप लोगों ने कैप्शंस तो पढ़ ही लिए होंगे. It's a Sunday ride. So today we have some of our friends with us as usual. And you know what's the highlight of the day? It's that Hunter 350 you're seeing right now. Can you see the thumb and the raw sound of it? Even though it has a fake SC exhaust, it's making that really good note, and that, you know, it really feels that great right now. I don't know if you can really feel it, but it really sounds so good. Maybe it's because of, I'm sure, not maybe, I'm sure, because of that raw sound of Royal Enfield, you know, that torquey engine and big piston making that sound so good. And as usual, we are heading to Adhampur today, maybe around 30-35 kilometers from our city Hisar, and I'll let you guys know what's so special about the day, so stay tuned. By the way, have you guys seen that Ducati bag right now? You can see that. Yeah, it is. You know guys, who is he? Obviously Shubham. He got the official licensed product of Ducati, and even I tried that bag too. It has a really good quality. Even you guys have checked it out, the review. It has a really good quality and good for touring purposes, even though you can use it for daily rides and all, and it's quite comfortable, you know, to carry it around. I feel like it's really good. And by the way, we did some changes to our group, and I hope that will affect the ride in future and so on. And I feel the decision maker of the group, like the admin and some co-members, decide that decision, and I feel like they had decided this decision so well that eventually it come out so well. By the way, let me know in the comments how you feel, like how it's looking like. That Hunter really looked good with that exhaust mode. I don't know about the rider though, but it really feels good. By the way, you know guys, what's the second highlight of the today? The second highlight of today is actually I'm riding Hero's Extreme 125, and the engine is really smooth, guys. I'm not really lying, it's really smooth. Baki, you guys get to know the review of this bike, the pros and cons and all the details soon, and it will be on that channel too, probably. Baki, for now it's really smooth. It actually, I didn't feel like I'm missing out on power or something. It's really good. Guys, मैं पीछे रह गया फिर से. And it's not कि मैं धीरे चला रहा था, it's just कि ये कैमरा पता नहीं क्यों बीच बीच में फ्रीज हो जाता है एंड देन ये बंद ही नहीं होता. तो then you just have to take out the battery and then insert it again, so it will restart and then it will get back to its normal condition. तो इस बीच मैं अब पीछे रह गया यार. मेरे को सच बताऊँ तो रास्ते याद नहीं होते यार. सो बस चल रहे हैं, होपफुली वो इसी रोड पे गए होंगे. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि ये रोड अच्छे हैं. फाइंड देम. मिल गया गाइस. मैंने बोला था ना ये लोग यही होंगे. आई डोंट नो अभी यहाँ से वो कितना दूर है, बट यू कैन एंजॉय द व्यू. इट्स रियली गुड. द ग्रीनरी एंड द sunrise is really good and all the view. Just look at the view, guys. Don't you feel it's really good? The calm, the engine roaring, it feels so smoothing, guys. By the way, currently I'm riding the Hunter 350 with the SC exhaust and the thump is really good, guys. It's awesome. I can literally feel the thump in my ear. The thump is so good. The engine performance, it's smooth, and that torquey feel you get to feel when you're riding that Royal Enfield. That's why Royal Enfields are famous for their torquey engine and the thump. It's so good with the SC project. I feel like I can ride this bike like continuously for 50 and 30 kilometers and I wanna get tired from this. It's so smoothing and refined engine, dude. It's so good. By the way, how's the views, guys? The greenery, it's so good. Hey, by the way, that's Bharat's camera. Say hi to this camera, guys. Tip on handlebars on this Hunter 350 really increase the look and overall riding style of this bike. I feel like it's a mini GT 350, not 650, the 350. Okay, the pocket rocket. It's really good. The handling is so good. Not good on curves. I hope you guys can understand. The curves are not meant for the Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield just don't know the curves. What are the curves? They don't know about the leans and angles. They just want the thumb, the torquey engine, and that's why the Royal Enfield what is famous for. The torquey engine, the smooth and refined engine, the pure sound. Damn man, I'm in love with this sound. It's so refined and good. By the way, that extreme back view looks too good, just too good. Just पीछे थोड़े से डिस्क ब्रेक और उधर तो क्या लुक आती ना. Still it's look good though. The budget friendly Z1000 can't compete with the Royal Enfield sound, guys. The only thing I'm hearing right now is this SC project making that torquey sound right now, making me feel like I want to ride it more and more. So guys, अब हम वापस निकल चुके हैं अपने घर के लिए and we have spent around 1 to 2 hours there. It was great though. We had some छोले भटूरे because we were so hungry यार. सुबह से कुछ खाया ही नहीं था. So now I will reach I just now we're just entering in Hisar. From here it will take around 20 minutes and then we are home. Actually I was getting late for some work, so I have to leave earlier. My friends are still there and you know I'm just so busy, so I have to leave. तो ऑफ कोर्स भाई काम करना भी ज़रूरी है एंड मैं अपने काम को बहुत प्रायोरिटी देता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है हर इंसान को अपने काम को प्रायोरिटी देनी चाहिए। एक खाली इंसान की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती कभी। सो काम करते रहो गाइस, वर्क हार्ड फॉर योर ड्रीम, एट लीस्ट व्हाट यू वांट इन योर लाइफ। Stay focused, stay calm and enjoy every moment. Even if I'm getting late, it's okay. We all are humans. We all make mistakes. I can't do anything now if I'm getting late. I have to be safe, okay? Even though I'm getting late, I need to drive carefully because of course मैं अकेला तो हूँ नहीं रोड पर, और लोग भी हैं, तो मेरे साथ उनको भी सेफ रखना ज़रूरी है। एंड लुक एट दिस गाइस, आज कुछ है क्या? कुछ तो है आज। लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स आज क्या है। एंड यही मैंने पहले पीछे भी देखा था। हाय, या आई नो आई एम स्टिल हियर। यार मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ। और एक आई नो ऑफ कोर्स वी ऑल नीड टू फॉलो रूल्स, बट समटाइम आई जस्ट वांट यू नो भागो यार, फक रूल्स, बट ओके वी हैव टू एंड यू ऑल हैव टू फॉलो रूल्स। स्टे इन योर लेन, फॉलो द रूल्स लाइक आई डू, even if I'm getting late. डैम भाई, आज संडे है फिर भी ट्रैफिक देखो यार। अच्छा भाई, guys, if you're in Haryana state, in any cities in Haryana, okay, be careful from these Haryana roadways, dude. These drivers are literally stupid as fuck, bhai. They don't know how to drive. They literally just run over on you, okay? Be careful from this. By the way, do you guys know ki from now on, that's what I believe, okay? And the editor, Mr. Subham, aka the Redliner, also think that Sunday vlogs will be like vlogged by me from now on, जितने में मैं आ पाऊँ, okay? You know, I'm busy person. I just don't get usually time enough to. Still, if I can, from now on I will be the one to make Sunday vlogs from now on, because some of you like the Sunday vlog that I have made the last Sunday, and that's why from now on, because of all of your support and everything, I will be making the Sunday vlog from now on. So hope you guys liked it. If you do, then let me know in the comments what you like about and what are the things you will be like you want to know about the riding culture. Oh, because of course you all are not into, some of you are not into riding and don't know how to ride for sure. And I'm not judging anyone, okay? We all learn, even me. We all learn all our life, each and every step, day by day. So we need to learn every day, because the experience will let you know what it means for. So आई सी यू. ओके, गिव मी अ सेकेंड यार, यहाँ ट्रैफिक बहुत है. हाँ, सो आई वाज सेइंग कि if you guys want to know about anything about riding or gears or anything, you can just drop your comment or your questions in a comment box, and even I myself see those comments, and editor will let you know what you can and he can do in this. Okay, if I liked anyone's question about it, I will be try to explain it or answer it on next box. So stay tuned. Goodbye. Take care and stay safe on roads, especially on Haryana. Editor highlight कर देना. Bye bye.